All right, we're at the trailhead here over at Mad Creek trailhead. So I've heard that there are some bears out here. The people horseback ride, mountain bike up here. So we'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to that. I want to see how the elevation affects me. So looking forward. We're probably going to get a 5 to 6 mile ride going today. So kind of a break in. So really excited about it. We'll see what happens. Talk to you soon. All right, so we're on the trail right now. It's been a little bit. First of all, a big shout out to Scott Kaiser behind me from this area, and so graciously allowed me to come with and doing everything. So big thanks for Scott. You know, you don't know how you'll react out here. I was told by various people who know a lot more than I do. They drink a lot of water, stay hydrated when you're up here in altitude. So I've been doing that, and I'm pleasantly surprised how I feel. So I'm happy. That could change any moment, but anyway, beautiful area out here. I'll keep taking shots and stuff like that, but let's keep going.
Hello.
Good morning. We're at about 3 miles right now. Probably going to turn around and go back pretty soon, just you know, for our first one. Kind of making sure, you know, that I was going to be able to do this. So we're a little bit early on the peak of the leaves. So maybe in another couple weeks they would be a little bit brighter, but nonetheless they are absolutely gorgeous. So we were just past this other section here. I was taking some other pictures, so I was a little behind Scott. And as I'm coming up here, I'm hearing him banging his sticks. I didn't know what he was doing. I mean, he was fixing his poles or whatever. Well, he saw a bear right by him, and it was coming towards me, but it was going on a ridge there, and I couldn't get the camera out quick enough. But yeah, we saw our first bear out here, so never ceases to amaze.
Welcome to the Wild West.
All right, here's my first encounter with a Douglas squirrel. Been hearing something yelling at me the last 15 minutes. And it's been this squirrel. I'm obviously on its territory, so it's kind of letting me know what's going on. So, yeah. I'll just be coming through, little fella, just for a little bit. Yeah, he's not happy with me. We're heading back now. Scott's taking us back, but we stopped down by the stream here for a second. It is cold. The water is super cold, so This has been a great hike so far. We're just kind of taking a few minutes here to hang out by the water, and the water's down quite a bit now from what it normally is, so we are making the most of it.